2023 Mini Countryman Untamed Edition, despite its special appearance package, remains largely unchanged from its previous version, revealing its dated foundation. The Countryman, which has been available since 2017, has lost prominence in its segment, overshadowed by competitors like the Volvo XC40, Audi Q3, and BMW X1. While a replacement is in the works, many released special editions like the Untamed Edition to bolster sales. This review delves into whether the Countryman retains its relevance. The 2023 Mini Countryman Untamed Edition retains its predecessor's mechanics, including a 2.0-liter Turbo 4 engine with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Although cosmetic alterations have been introduced, they don't fully disguise the vehicle's aging design. Despite its antiquated appearance, the special edition's interior stands out. The Highland green leather with contrast stitching provides a unique and appealing touch, capturing Mini's characteristic charm. Nevertheless, the cabin technology remains outdated, featuring a small infotainment screen and limited features compared to modern competitors. The 2023 Mini Countryman Untamed Edition lineup offers various trims, such as Cooper S, Cooper S All4, and Cooper SE, each equipped with distinct powertrains. While the Cooper S All4 provides all-wheel drive, it doesn't deliver remarkable speed due to the heavy crossover build. Nevertheless, the vehicle's steering is responsive, offering some agility for a crossover, despite feeling confined inside due to poor outward visibility. While the Untamed Countryman boasts appealing attributes like its steering, front-end responsiveness, and distinct interior color, it struggles to compete in areas such as practicality, cargo space, and technology. With its limited cargo capacity and outdated features, the Untamed Edition falls short against rivals like the BMW X1, Audi Q3, and Mercedes GLA class. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Countryman ranks reasonably well, but its high price tag of nearly $45,000 without additional options makes it less appealing compared to its competitors, particularly the BMW X1. This special edition fails to elevate the Countryman above its fresher and more appealing rivals. Its size positions it awkwardly between catering to Mini enthusiasts and offering the space desired by crossover buyers. Looking ahead, the hope is that the forthcoming new Countryman will address these shortcomings, potentially through improved driving dynamics, a more practical interior, and updated technology, in order to re-establish Mini's crossover in a more competitive light.